severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County, West Central Shelby County, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Franklin, or 18 miles west of Shelbyville, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Franklin, Greenwood, Parkersville, Whiteland, New Whiteland, Bogstown, Fairland. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 83 and 100. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 104 and 107. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Intense squall lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes in addition to widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Johnson, and Shelby. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Johnson, and Shelby.
Doubleheader.
National Weather Service in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bartholomew County. Daylight time. National Weather Service in County, southwestern Johnson County. Thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located in Townsville, 118 miles east of Bloomington, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations of the warned include Nashville, Norfolk, Column severe thunderstorms, Spearsville, Neosho, Princess Lakes. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Jackson, and Johnson. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southern